Now I want to do a formatting for milestones, and here I add a drop down, and I want to show basically from this drop down the plan of milestones or the actual data or both. Now we are in the both view. Okay, so what I did is I just drop down from the developer ribbon here a combo box, and then I link this to this table that I created in the metadata showing these three texts: plan, actual or act, and both, and it's linked to milestone P1, so this one. Then now I want to continue and do the following. Go to milestones, and basically here where is the height, I'm going to type the following: to 1 or 3, so is different than 2, which is the plan. I'm going to show 1, otherwise I'm going to show not applicable. Okay, so then I'm going to adapt this to the rest. Okay, I'm coming back soon. Then I'm going to display this. Okay, here for example I have 1 and this part is actual, so of course I cannot see when I'm showing on the plan. So on the dashboard is like this. Okay, plan or actual or both. Okay, there is this is okay to have this basically milestones here. Okay, so now we saw this, and we're going to talk again about resources and in the next video, and I will show you more about resources, how you can also do planning using the actual resources, so just by team or by pool or by name. Okay, and assign those resources to the task that you already planned before.